just a reminder, even though it might be getting warm, you don't touch these. These are the big leaf Macrophylla hydrangeas. If you cut these stalks down, look at all these beautiful buds that they will be turning green in the spring. If you cut them down, you're cutting off the flowers. If you live in a colder climate like me, zone 6-ish, these might die anyway, but just give it a chance. Just leave them. So you have a hybrid. Endless Summer's a hybrid. What the heck does that mean? That means that the flower buds form on old wood. This was created last year. And new wood. So you lucky duck. You're one of those people who, because we're in a cold climate and you've got no buds, they're dead, okay? They're dry and dead. You can cut this off, okay? And you are going to get buds on this. Whereas other people with macrophyllas that are not hybrids, they're not gonna really get any flowers because it was so cold.